Hi guys, here in this video I am going to show you how to remove shortcut virus from USB drive. In this video I will show you the command prompt method to remove the virus. So first of all, here I am showing you my USB drive. It is letter F, my USB drive. So I am opening it to show you. Here you can see my USB drive is affected by the shortcut virus. All the files and folders here in the form of shortcut. So open command prompt, write here cmd and run this command prompt as with administrative rights. We are going to run some DOS command here. Write here attrib, then -h -r -s/s/t, and here we are going to write our drive letter, USB drive letter, and in my case my USB drive letter is F. So here I am going to write F. Now I will write here F, then colon /**. Press enter. It will take some time. Here in my case it has been fixed. Now I am closing command prompt. Now I am going to check I am going to my USB drive to check whether the issue is fixed or not. So you can see here now the issue has been fixed. All the shortcut viruses, or you can say all the shortcut files and folders have been removed, and now it is in the original form. I am closing it.